In this video, we will show you how to add page number in Google Docs or Google Documents. First, let's create new documents. And in here, I have prepared some text to create more than one page. Okay, there is no page number here. And to add page number, it's very easy. You need just to click Format in here and select in here page number. Then you can show the page number on header or footer. First, let's try to click on header. Then you have page number 1, 2, 3, 4. How to delete the page number? Because if you are using clear formatting, it's not deleted. Just activate your header because your page number on header. Then you can click Format, select headers and footers, and remove header. Now, your page number also deleted. Same with this, you can also insert page number into the footer. Then, you can click Format, select page number, and choose Position on Footer. Then, you can click Apply. Then, your page number is already applied on footer. To delete page number, you can also click Format, but if you don't activate the footer, you can see there is no option to remove the page number or footer. So you need to double click on your footer like this. Then you can click Format again and choose Header and Footers and click Remove Footer. Then your page number also deleted. That's all tutorial how to add page number on Google Docs or Google Documents. Hope this video helpful for you.